What's up, guys? We are out here in Mesa, Arizona. It's right outside Phoenix on a lovely Saturday morning. We are starting to plant our fall gardens here in the desert, and that means we get back to kind of normal food crops like lettuces and kales, your carrots, beets, etc. The cooler weather loving plants. So right now I'm actually going to be doing a little bit of lettuce. This is a mix from Johnny's Seeds. It's called their All-Star Gourmet mix. And what I like about this one is it's a leaf lettuce that you can get multiple harvests off. So this guy grows up and you cut it down and actually keeps on growing, and you can get several harvests like that. So a head lettuce is going to be like your iceberg lettuce that grows a big head, or your romaine lettuce grows a nice big head there. But the leaf lettuce just basically grows leaves, and you can actually harvest that multiple times. This one actually also has several different varieties of lettuce in it that have a little bit different texture, flavor, and color, so it makes for a really pretty salad. But I just wanted to show you kind of how easy it is to plant this seed. Now I've got kind of like the bulk size. You wouldn't buy this for a personal garden unless you were a lot of persons, but this is what the seeds look like. They're really paper thin, and a good rule of thumb for seeds is that you want to plant the seed only about as deep as the seed is big, times maybe 2. So these guys are as thin as paper. You know, we don't really need to plant these that deep. And actually what I do with these guys is I've kind of flattened out this area here, and we're just going to sprinkle these right on top, okay? You actually don't even need to bury these seeds. The reason being is that you just have to kind of keep them moist, and if you bury these too much, they're not like a pumpkin seed or a sunflower seed. They don't really have a lot of energy to burst through all that soil. So really just right on top here, I'm going to add a little mulch on this, and we're going to keep this pretty damp for the next few, probably about a week or two, until we get our first true leaves. But once we come back here, this will look like a nice big kaleidoscope of lettuce, different colors. And the cool thing, because we're doing about 6 feet of it, what we'll do is as this grows up, you basically cut some here, and then you cut some here, and then this continues to grow back, and this continues to grow back, and you have a continuous harvest of lettuce. Now, if you're in Arizona, you can really make this work, depending if you have shade cloth or your microclimate. You can really make this lettuce go till probably April, maybe even May, depending. So you can really get a lot of good food, a lot of good meals, salads, whatever, out of a small space. So this one's Johnny's Seeds All-Star Gourmet Mix. Baker Creek has a similar mix. I'm sure some of the other seed companies do as well. I've been really happy with this one. I've used it for about the last 4 or 5 years, and it's good stuff. So check it out, grow some lettuce, have a salad, enjoy your weekend, guys.